Students, myself Subhas Mishra. Students, this is my second video for you. In the first video, we are discussing about how to prepare the slide of stomata. Students, in that video, we have discussed its aim, apparatus, material required, then theory. Now I am going to discuss with you about its procedure. As I have told you that for preparing the slide of stomata, we need a thick leaf. So I have a thick leaf. From this leaf, we will start preparing the slide of stomata. The leaves which are very thick, we can obtain their peel just by tearing them tangentially. But here, in this case, since it is very thick, we are unable to find out its peel. So, I will cut a convenient section of it. Now, make it wet and take a clean slide. Put your leaf on the slide and keep it in the manner so that its lower surface is at the bottom side and the upper surface is at the top. When you are keeping it in this manner and then scratching it with the blade, slowly you will remove its greenish portion and later on you will get a very fine peel. Students, you can easily see that these are the greenish portions, but this one is the light portion. So this light portion, it is the lower peel of the leaf, and this is the greenish portion. So I have scratched it and removed the greenish portion. Now I am getting this peel here. Now I will cut this peel. I will show it to you. You can see easily. Students, you can easily see its peel. The greenish portion has removed. Now I am going to cut this peel. We used to cut a convenient section. Okay. So I have cut a convenient section of it. Now here you can see I have cut a convenient transparent section. Now we have to stain it with the help of saffronin coloring solution. I can transfer this section. Okay, you can see now this is the watch glass. I am going to transfer this section in this, so that, and this watch glass containing safranin coloring solution. Now I am going to transfer this section in this, and now I am waiting for 1 minute so that my section it can take the color. So this section it gets stained in half or 1 minute. Then we will remove this section and put it again on the slide, wash it, and then we will put okay. So students, now you can see this is the section. This I have taken, but it is left, it has not taken the color properly, right? Now I have washed this, and now I am going to remove its water droplets and rest of the things by means of filter paper. Remove the water droplets by means of filter paper. After removing the droplets, now put few drops of glycerine on it. So I have put a little drop of glycerine on it, and then take cover slip. Students, you can see this is cover slip. I have picked in my fingers diagonally. Now put this cover slip on the slide very carefully, so that it cannot trap the air. For this we can take the aid of needle, or I am taking the aid of needle and putting this carefully. Okay, so now I have put the cover slip. Students, you can see I have put the cover slip on it. Okay, so in this way your slide is ready to observe. Now we can observe this slide under the microscope, and when we will observe it under the microscope, then we will get, or we will see the small tiny pores present on the epidermal cells in the leaves. Number of tiny pores or stomata, they are present more in number on lower surface of the leaf in dicot plants and less in monocots. So students, this is all about the slide preparation of stomata. I will provide you the PDF of this experiment to you, so that you can easily go through the complete topic, and later on, next time I will prepare and provide you next experiment. Okay, if you have any query regarding the practical copy, so students, last year you have already prepared the copy and you know very well how to write the experiments in the practical records. Okay, thanks.